As Iran ramps up missile barrages across the Gulf, is the U.S. defensive shield cracking, with key air defense systems visibly struggling to intercept missiles? After launching this war, President Trump faces serious questions over his failure to fully protect and reassure key U.S. allies in the Gulf region. Iranian missiles pierced through the U.S.-supplied Patriot interceptor network, exposing gaps in a system long sold as a cornerstone of regional defense. Mojtaba Khamenei's missile salvos slammed into a critical airbase of a U.S.-aligned Arab state, starkly illustrating how Iran is testing, and at times breaching, America's frontline defenses. Iranian missile strikes destroyed multiple components of a U.S.-made Patriot air defense system located at Bahrain's Riffa Air Base, according to reports. The development was reported by Military Watch magazine on March 22, citing latest satellite imagery documenting the damage at the site. Reports also stated that the Iranian attack also damaged 2 hardened aircraft shelters at the Riffa facility during the strike. Over recent weeks, multiple videos from the region have repeatedly shown Patriot batteries failing to reliably intercept incoming Iranian ballistic missiles. According to regional defense reporting, Gulf states operating Patriot systems previously fired 2 interceptor missiles at each incoming target as standard practice. These operators have now reportedly shifted to launching 3 Patriot interceptors per incoming missile in an effort to improve the probability of a successful interception. Multiple open-source reports have also documented Patriot surface-to-air missiles malfunctioning and impacting civilian areas, raising concerns about safety and accuracy. The reported strike on Riffa Air Base came shortly after Iranian attacks on oil infrastructure at the UAE port of Fujairah, which targeted key energy facilities. During that earlier barrage, UAE armed forces reportedly attempted to use a Patriot air defense system to intercept Iranian missiles, but the system failed to prevent the strikes. Separate videos published from Qatar have likewise shown a Patriot battery repeatedly failing to intercept aerial targets, according to regional media coverage. Analysts and officials had raised questions over Patriot capabilities long before the current conflict with Iran, particularly in high-intensity missile environments. In Ukraine, the effectiveness of Patriot batteries against advanced Russian missiles has been widely debated and scrutinized, with doubts over their overall impact. Ukrainian sources for months have warned that the system's ability to consistently intercept Russian attacks appears limited, especially during large-scale barrages. On May 26, Ukrainian Air Force spokesman Yuri Ignat publicly highlighted operational shortcomings of the Patriot system, pointing to constraints in intercept capability and coverage. The Patriot system was first used in combat to intercept Iraqi Scud missiles during the 1991 Gulf War, in its early anti-missile role. Subsequent independent assessments of that campaign concluded that its real success rate against Scuds was very low, in some studies approaching negligible levels. During the 2003 US-led invasion of Iraq, Patriot units were implicated in several friendly fire incidents, becoming a primary cause of accidental engagements. In that conflict, Patriot batteries mistakenly fired on multiple US and Allied fighter aircraft, leading to aircraft being damaged or destroyed. The systems also failed to prevent drone and missile attacks on Saudi oil facilities in 2019, when sites were struck by Iranian and Yemeni origin systems. Despite these controversies, defense experts note that the United States has continued to market and export Patriot systems globally, leveraging its dominant position in the international arms trade.